Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a task tracker app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. You'll also get a free account that you can test out for yourself. So after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to build a task tracker app, navigate to the top left side of the screen and click on the My Forms option. From there, select the My Apps option to access the My Apps page, where you can see all the apps you have previously built. To create a mobile app for your task tracking needs, click on the Create App button. This will present you with 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Clone existing app, and Build store. For this tutorial, choose the Use template option. You will then be directed to the template library. The templates are organized into categories in the left menu. You can browse through these categories or use the search bar to find a specific template. In this case, search for the keywords Tracker Apps to view relevant templates. Once the search results appear, select the template called Task Tracker App. Preview the template, and if it fits your requirements, click on the Use Template button to start editing it in the editor. In the editor, you can customize the template according to your preferences. Click on any section of the template that you want to modify, and options will appear for customization. You can delete sections by clicking on the bin icon. Access the properties of each section by clicking on the gear icon, and make changes using the options in the right sidebar. Once you have customized the template to your satisfaction, click on the Publish section to share or embed your app. In the Publish section, you can copy the link to your app by clicking on the Copy Link option. If you prefer to view the app from the user's perspective, click on the Open in New tab option. You can also invite people to view your form by entering their email addresses in the Invite by Email field. Additionally, you can share your app on social media platforms such as X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. To make installation easier, generate and download a QR code for your app. Share this QR code with others, and when they scan it, your app will be installed on their mobile devices. If you want to embed your task tracker app in a website, click on the Embed section in the left menu. Copy the provided code and paste it into any website to seamlessly integrate your app. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching, and take care.